Greetings to all my beautiful black brothers and sisters. Glad that you're tuning in. This is your elder brother, Blacklight, with the kind of flavor that will save you and the kind of knowledge you won't get in college. I'm your motivator, your crusader, trying to make you dig yourself, trying to make you see yourself, who you are, who you really are. A lot of you are deaf, dumb, and blind to that fact. So I just want to talk to you for a minute on this video and point out some perspectives to you that maybe you haven't thought about. If you had a guy that'll do all your work for you, work around the house, work, and you ain't got to pay him nothing. Every now and then you toss him a bone, you know, you might give him a place to live in your garage or on a tent, but he does all your work for free. In the meantime, you're dumbing him down so much that you took away his name, his culture, how he worships, his language. And after a while, he just thinks, you know, he belongs to you, and whatever direction you tell him to go in, he'll go in, because he's dependent on you totally. Lost the knowledge of self. He can't depend on nobody else but you to guide him through. All of a sudden, he say, look, man, you ain't got to work for me no more. Go for yourself. So, by the guy not knowing nothing but to work for you or to be around you, because he know that's how he get his food through you. He don't know how to make food for himself, do for self. He don't know none of that. So you say, you open the gate, say, look, you're free to go. And he comes right back. He walks a couple of blocks, comes right back to you. Works for free. You ain't got to pay me, boss. You know. He said, no, I'm going to pay you something. But what he give you is play money. Real money, the minerals of the earth, precious metals of the earth. He holding on to them. Because you don't know no better. You don't know that that's real money. You know. The seeds that grow your vegetables to eat. He done took over all of that. He got a monopoly on all of that. And he could squeeze you out if you start any little farming, because he got his distribution centers, you know, can discriminate on how they deal with those who's not of their persuasion. So, you know, he cons you into thinking that you getting real money, but you're not getting real money. See, he knows that the precious minerals, precious metals, that's something you can swap, because don't everybody have certain minerals, precious metals to work with. So he could trade those for gold. But then he runs count on the people that he trade with. Then he used the mafia technique. He gives you an offer that you can't refuse, and if you don't deal with him, he blows you up, bombs the hell out you, or kill somebody until you play by his rules. So the black man is like this when it comes to the Caucasian. If for example, we're gonna use this metaphor. If a baby eagle get dropped off in a chicken coop, or either he lost his way from his mother and father, a baby eagle, and the chicken's raising. When that eagle gets to the age where he could go out and find his real mother and father, he don't want to do it because he thinks he's a chicken now. He don't know that he's a different bird than the chicken. He thinks because he got feathers and he got a beak, he thinks he's a chicken. That's the black man. The black man lost all his sense of direction, his home. He's incoherent, and he thinks he's a white man. Think about that. Now today's video, we're going to try to show you that the Caucasian is in self-preservation, the self-preservation mode. And that you don't want directions from nobody else but the Caucasian. And then you got these sellout brothers and sisters, agents, to keep you looking for directions from the White House. And when anybody comes and tell you to go independent, you're the baddest man on the planet. You don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that you're the baddest man on the planet. You think the Caucasian is the baddest man on the planet. And then plus you're kind of jealous too, because they telling you that I done thought of a way that we can go independent, and they actually go independent, think independent, but the white man tell you to shut your own brothers and sisters down. And you'll do it because you're jealous, because you didn't think of it. And so they got us at each other's throat, but it's not no fault. It's not your fault. It's the Willie Lynch letter. We're going to talk about that today. So for now, Assalamu alaikum.